Alright, dropshipping gang, welcome to day 31 of our challenge where I'm taking an eBay store and scaling it all the way up to making $1,000 to $3,000 in net profit every single month. Okay, we are currently at 6,644 active listings on our account. Let's go to our orders and check how many orders that we had. I think we had around 11 or 12-ish something orders. Let's go ahead and count it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. 20.60, 48.60, 31.60, 15.60, 15.60, 20.60, 31.60, 47.60, 36.60, 78.60, 14.60, 16.60, and that's it. So let's go and check our traffic and see how we've been performing. In the last 30 days, we had very close to 3 million impressions. And our listing views is 9,532, which as you guys can see, there's like 73% increase. And our quantity sold is 126 minus, I believe, the 11 that came in the next day. So that would be 115 sales. So we're currently on 150 sales and we had 4 of them coming from organic while the other 9 is coming from promoted, and our click-through rate is 0.1% and our conversion rate is 1.3%. So guys, as you can see, we are increasing our sales every single day and we started to see somewhat stable 10 sales per day, and I do believe that this is going to go up as we are listing more and more, pruning more and more. So that is it for today's update. I will see you guys in the next video, which is tomorrow. Stay tuned and take care.